My name is Vicky Liogier. I'm Head of Digital Literacy, Voice and Innovation, and I would like to introduce you to our service. So it is a merger of the e-learning, Learning Resource Centre and Student Survey services, and it responds to our users' diverse population by providing a range of technologies and microenvironments that appeals to all types of learners and learning outcomes. Where do we want to be? Well, our vision is of an inspirational and innovative state-of-the-art 21st century digital information and voice service that facilitates and supports independent and social learning as well as digital literacies and employability to all. Our culture, learning is fun, creative and accessible. We believe in being customer-focused, innovative, passionate for learning, collaborative and supportive. We have a 5-segment framework. At its heart, we've got learning and teaching aims. We review through student consultation our performance and we drive improvement through their voice. We've got the 5 segments and 4 of them are focused on digital literacy. This side you can see our basic technologies which refer to our virtual learning environment, our monitoring performance system, ERIC and eTracker, as well as interactive whiteboard which are in every classroom. We also have newer technologies, e-pilots, as well as looking at new markets through technologies. At the top, we've got our Learning Resource Centre and e-collections. So what is digital literacy? Well, it refers to those capabilities which fit an individual for learning, living and working in a digital society, as described by JISC in 2014. As you can see, we've got a range of basic technologies in the college, and if you are an academic member of staff, you will need to be familiar with all of these. It's easy to access them. You can go on the college website and right at the top, right-hand corner, you will be able to see links and you'll be able to access all of these from anywhere at any time, from any device. The Learning Lounge, well, we've got a range of spaces as previously mentioned, and those spaces fit different learning needs. So for individual learning, collaborative, shared, connected, informal learning as well as creative learning. So we try to address every user's needs. Opening time, we open every day from 8:30 and we close 3 days a week at 6 o'clock, on Monday at 5 and on Friday slightly earlier at 4 o'clock. Our expectations, we've got 4 key expectations. The first one, you need to put your mobile on silent, keep the noise to minimum, no food or drink except for bottled water, and the last one is very much a positive one, which is about enjoying learning, being creative and sharing ideas. In our Learning Resource Centre, we've got a range of resources that can be on loan, as well as access to e-collections through our heritage catalogue. We try to keep a very close curriculum liaison in order to make everything we do and available so that it is effective and relevant to your curriculum area. So please do contact our librarian Carol Mitchell if you need any resources to be purchased. Okay, in terms of learner voice, you can see here a poster which clearly defines the different communication channels we have with students, and we believe to be a learner-centered organization. And therefore, everything we do needs to be reviewed through regular feedback from students so that we can drive improvement. We have scheduled 4 surveys across the year. One after the induction period, another one which is on-course survey, and another one in February, and the last one which is our destination and of course survey in May. We've got a wonderful digital literacy team to support you. Our role, what is it? Well, it is to inspire and empower learners and staff in becoming 21st century digital citizens. Our team contact details for general inquiries, please contact Learning Lounge at efc.ac.uk and our extension number is 8631. If you have any digital literacy support or queries, please contact instead esupport@efc.ac.uk. We hope that you've found our digital literacy voice and innovation induction useful, and we look forward to working with you at Epping Forest College. You now need to complete our hands-on digital tools online induction, and you will find it on ERIC under the staff menu, and it's called Staff Induction Digital Literacy. If you need any help, remember, we're here to support you. Thank you very much. Bye.